Hello friends, if you are searching how to get a refund on Pandabuy Orde, so you are at right place. Today I am going to tell you how you can get your Pandabuy Orde refund only in some easy steps. All steps you can see on your screen, so let's get started. Log into your Pandabuy account. Click on your profile from the top. Go to your orders and cancel the order. After your order is cancelled successfully, your refund will be initiated. Normally, your refund will be sent to your Pandabuy account balance. When your refund is sent to your Pandabuy account balance, you can either use that balance to purchase another product or simply withdraw money from your balance account. And you are done. Only by using this method, you can get a refund on Pandabuy. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.